Michael Shikha Niketan Higher Secondary Government Sponsored Co-ed English Medium School has taken an excellent initiative of teaching and make our students learn day-to-day lessons through audio and video in our YouTube channel. Teachers of all the subjects are working hard to enhance these online classes in the midst of this pandemic situation. It is a request to all the teachers, students and guardians to click the bell icon and subscribe our channel.
Good morning students, class 8. Now I will start the theorems and their problems. Okay. Theorems is, let us take, this is the triangle A, B, C. We extend BC up to D. Okay. So, exterior angle, that means angle ACD equal to the sum of opposite interior angle. This is the theorem. How to prove? We draw a parallel line CX. Clear? So, this parallel, this angle and this angle let us take angle 1 and this angle let us take angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 because they are alternate, and this angle 3 equal to angle 4, angle 3 equal to angle 4, corresponding angle. So, if we add angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to angle 2 plus angle 4 makes angle ACD. Clear? So, it is proved that angle ACD, that means the exterior angle, equal to the sum of opposite interior angle, and also the total sum of the interior angle of any triangle will be 180 degree. Okay. How to prove? If we add this angle, that means angle 5, the both side. Clear? So, angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 equal to ACD plus angle 5, that means the whole angle. We know that whole angle is 180 degree. So, it is proved that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. With the help of the theorem, we have to prove the problem sums. Clear? Here, the problem is question number 19, bisectors of angle BAC. BAC, this is the bisector. That means this angle equal to this angle. The bisectors of angle BAC of triangle ABC and the straight line through the midpoint of D of AC and parallel to AB. Here, this mark is a parallel sign. Clear? Meet at E, outside of BC. Now, we have to prove that this total angle will be 90 degree. How to prove? DEA, that means this angle equal to alternate this angle, because this and these are parallel and AE be the transversal. So, A DEA equal to alternate BAE equal to angle EAD. Why? Because AE be the bisectors of angle A. So, we can write this angle equal to this angle. From this, AD equal to ED, because in any triangle, if these two angles are equal, the corresponding sides be same, and also equal to DC. Why? Because D is the midpoint. So, AD equal to D equal to DC. So, DEC, that means this angle equal to DCE, this angle, these steps, clear. So, AEC equal to 180 minus angle A means EAC plus angle ECA, because sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now, 180 minus AED, why AED? EAC and AED are same, clear, and ECA equal to DEC, this blue color, that means this angle and this angle are same. AED plus DC makes AEC. So, here AEC equal to 180 minus AEC. So, if we change from right side to left side, 2 AEC equal to 180, clear. So, AEC will be 90 degree, clear. Now, this is the final step. So, from this theorem we have to prove this sum, clear. Next, the another sum, the internal bisectors of angle ABC, that means this is a triangle A, B and C. The internal bisectors of angle ABC, that means this and ACB meet at O. Okay. Prove that angle BOC, that means this angle equal to half of angle A. Now, angle BOC equal to 180 degree minus this angle plus this angle, that means angle OBC plus angle OCB. Why? Because sum of the three angles interior also 180 degree, that means this angle plus this angle plus this angle equal to 180 degree. So, angle BOC equal to 180 minus angle OBC plus angle OCB. 180 minus OBC means bisector of angle B. So, we may write angle B and This angle is bisector of angle C. So, we write this. So, 180 minus, we take common half angle B plus angle C. Angle B means the total angle. That means angle B means angle ABC and angle C means angle ACB. Clear? So, 180 minus half of 180 minus angle A. 180 minus half into 180 plus half angle A. So, 90 plus half angle A. Angle A means BAC. It is 90 plus half angle BAC. Clear? This is very important sum. Clear?
Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment. Subscribe. And do share the video among your friends.